Did you know? Together, we can face anything. But what if we argue and drift apart? Let's hear the story of 4 buffaloes who learned to stay united.
In a big green meadow, there lived 4 buffaloes who were always together. They were best friends and always helped each other. Every day, they ate grass together. They felt safe because they always looked out for each other. No wolf could catch them because they stayed united.
Hey friends, I know a great place to eat. The grass by the forest is fresh and green.
I think the grass here is better. I want to stay here.
Wait, I really like the grass on the hill. It looks so much greener and fresher, like it's the best spot around.
Haha, I know the best place. There's a huge green meadow at the top of the hill. Let's go there.
The 4 buffaloes started to argue. Each one wanted to go to a different place. They couldn't agree on where to eat.
Okay, I'll go to the meadow by the forest.
I'll stay in the meadow. Perfect spot for my meal.
I'm going to the hill. That's the best place.
I'm going to the top of the hill. See you later.
They all went to different places, but without being together, they started to feel unsafe. The wolf saw that the buffaloes had separated. Now, the wolf was ready to attack, but the buffaloes soon realized they made a mistake.
Wait, I don't feel safe here alone.
I feel the same way. I really should join you. It sounds like the perfect idea.
Let's come back together. Only together can we stop the wolf.
The buffaloes quickly gathered together. When the wolf saw how strong they were, he got scared and ran away. The wolf didn't want to fight the buffaloes when they were together. He saw they were too strong and ran away. The buffaloes were safe and could eat happily together.
The lesson from this story is, when we are together, we are strong. But when we are divided, it's easy for bad things to happen. Helping each other and staying united is very important.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.